Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix a slightly damaged phone. This is a ZTE Q-Link wireless phone. So say you're like working on the top of a skyscraper and then you accidentally drop your phone. Oh no, I might have to get a new phone. But no, I'm going to show you how to fix the screen on this and also the back scratches. So with that said, let's get right into it. The first thing you're going to want to do is to make sure that you have all the pieces of your phone. So you're going to want to get the battery, just shove it in there and stick the back on there. This one, the back won't stay on very well. It's kind of popping off. If the camera would focus, you could see it. Focus, 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 focus. Anyways, so getting straight into the video, here are the things you're going to need to fix it. You're going to need about 8 nails. Make sure you don't lose any of them. You're going to need a hammer. You're going to need a glue gun. You're going to need a pocket knife, just in case. Also, you're going to need tape, but I don't have that. So, peanut butter will work. Also, you're going to need some mustard. Some mayo. And some Parmesan cheese. So, let's get to fixing it. First, you want to secure the screen down. If you drop it from off a skyscraper, most likely the screen will be coming off a little bit. As you can see here. I don't know if the camera will focus. Freaking focus, darn thing. Screen is coming off a little bit. Screen is coming off a little bit here. So we're going to want to secure that down. And to secure that down, what you're going to want to do is get a nail in the part that won't stay down. Just going to want to stick it there and hammer it in until it can hold the screen down. So that will allow you to keep it in one piece while trying to fix it. Also, the other side on this is popping up, so we're going to have to fix that too. Now the screen will always stay intact. After a while, you'll get used to the nails being there. Also, if the back falls off a lot, and your battery falls out, that could be a problem. So, I'm going to want to put the battery in and secure the back of the phone down. You're also going to do this by putting nails in it. You can move these if they're kind of getting in the way. So we're going to get the nail, but you want to make sure you do not puncture the battery. Now that side is staying in there. Now let's get this corner. You want to get it securely in there so you can make sure it will not be falling off anytime soon. I will get to you after all these nails are put in. Now that we have the back secured onto the phone, then we can start getting rid of those nasty holes. That's where the glue gun will come in place. Come on, get the glue gun, and just, those nails work as a nice stand. Get the glue gun and just fill those holes. Next thing you know, it'll be like they were never there. You can also do this on cracks. It will work. It will just cover up the cracks, make it like they were never even there. If you're liking this tutorial, hit that thumbs up button and comment what you would like to see me do next. Also, if that screen is popping up without those nails in there, then you can either put more nails in there or you can just glue it shut. Also, if the black back panel won't stay on all the way, you can just nicely glue it shut. And on the other side, also on my phone, I have some glass missing up here. So you'll just cover that with glue, and it will act like glass. It's amazing how these things work these days. And for the scratches on the back, that's where the mustard will come in handy. Mustard covers cracks like nothing else. I want to shake it up first. Perfect. Just cover up those cracks like they were never there. Also, this is where the mayonnaise comes in place. If that yellow mustard looks too obvious, just get a butter knife, get some mayonnaise on it, and then just wipe it on the back of the phone. I'll show you how. It will also start to get messy at this point, so you might want to do your project on a towel. Sorry if that affects what you see. Anyways, so that is where the mayonnaise comes in, to cover the yellowness on the phone. So this will help it so it looks less noticeable. As you can see, you can't even tell I put it on there. It blends right in. You may also do this to the front of your phone if you wish. It will also help get rid of those cracks, make them less noticeable. Nice and perfect. Also, to add a little extra pizzazz to your phone, you can use the Parmesan cheese. Yum, yum. Also, the peanut butter does a good job on covering up some of those cracks and other stuff. So let's get some peanut butter on here and just put it all along the edges. Keep the phone nice and sealed, airtight sealed, so no water will get in there. It'll be like it's waterproof. You can also put some on the sides right here to make it more waterproof. Then, after that, your phone will look a little bit messy. But don't worry, because there is a way to fix that. I'll show you how. If the phone is getting dirty, you can just wash it off in the sink. Just get it nice and good with the water. so that you can just clean it all right off. I'll get back to you after it's all done being washed. After you're done washing the phone off, you can pull the nails out because they have already served their purpose. Now all you have to do is dry it off. Just dry this off here, and then you have to make sure it's all completely dry. Get back to you when I'm done. After you are done drying your phone, you're going to want to get the hammer and make sure they can survive this, or else you need to get a new phone. Okay, now let's look at the phone. After your phone is nice and dry, I'm going to want you to take your hammer and then whack it to make sure it can survive this. And if it doesn't, you just need a new phone. And now, I'm going to reach in there and grab the phone. And look it, it's almost good as new. The mayonnaise stained the paint, the plastic, so now it's white. But now it can turn on and is fully functionable. It looks like this phone had some games on it, like Plants vs. Zombies, this game, this game, this game, and this game. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope this works for you. Also, the phone still has some cracks at the top, but that'll be fine because at least it still works. And the white color is looking a lot nicer than the black one. So, it's pretty neat. Anyways, you can try this out for yourself. 100% working. Bye. Okay, guys, that's the end of the video. Comment, like, and subscribe. Comment down below what you would like to see me do next. In this video, I showed you how to make a really busted, crappy phone into a phone like this. Like, it's really nice. I mean, not super nice. But, anyways, comment down below what you would like to see me do next. Gaming, breaking, whatever. And I will try to get to you as fast as I can. So,